You can expect a lot from the 2019 Dodge Durango. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage, regardless of road or weather conditions. Dodge prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, a blind spot monitoring system, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, and cruise control. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 6. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.